So I would be having the class do a presentation on who their favorite sports team is and why. And so, as an example, they would be using PowerPoint for their presentation, just giving a description as to why, whatever their favorite sports team is their favorite, a little bit about the team, the background story, what their colors are, mascot, records, different achievements, things like that. And of course, they would be doing it through PowerPoint. So just what I'm going to show the class is an example of how to add a picture to your PowerPoint presentation, because we would need plenty of pictures in it just to show, like I said, the team colors, the mascots, the stadium, the standings, different things like that, things that have been done there to tell just a little bit more about the sports team. So this right here is, of course, PowerPoint and the beginning of the presentation, the opening page. And so now we have that pulled up, of course. What we would do is we would go to Chrome, and you can just simply search for your favorite team, which I did, mine Ohio State football. You can see it pulls up just tons of pages of images that you could use in your presentation. So just based upon, back to the PowerPoint page, what you're talking about, your picture would correspond with that, whether it be the mascot, the color, the stadium, and so on. So just looking at a good picture for the introduction, this one right here, just the Blocko Ohio State football, I think that would be great just for the introduction. So you could take that picture and simply drag it to your desktop or drag it to the file folder that you wanted to save it in. Then you would come back to PowerPoint here, and you would go up to Picture and click on that to the drop down. Go to Insert Picture. If you just give it a moment here, what's going to happen is it's going to pull up this here, your different folders. So we will go to the folder that we saved it in for the class, which we can see here, our Ohio State picture. We can take that, click on the picture, click Insert, and then we have our picture that we work with, which I said Ohio State football. That's a great introductory picture for your page. You can resize it, you can drag it to wherever you want on the page. You could drag it to make it the whole page if you wanted to. Simply up to you. But from there you can then move the text box around, you can move the picture around for your presentation. But we would definitely want plenty of pictures and color in our presentation for our favorite sports team. And so that right there is how we would do that and how we would make that happen.